Solenoid valve enclosure hookup. Contents: filter regulator, 2 exhaust mufflers. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Insert the 1/4 inch blue tubing for the multiplier air cylinder extend. Step 2. Insert the 3/8 inch red tubing for the multiplier air cylinder retract. Step 3. Insert the 1/2 inch black tubing for the air tank fill line. Step 4. Insert the 1/2 inch red tubing for the air cannon air cylinder retract. Step 5. Install the filter regulator on the air inlet box. Step 6. Install the exhaust mufflers on the air exit ports.